this AI-controlled bot has learned to kill. And today, it's gonna fight 1 billion people. But what's really scary is he learned it all on his own without ever seeing a human play. Worse yet, some absolute goofball released all the source code and now it's gonna take over the world. Hello, it's me, I'm that goofball. And I'm about to find out exactly how controversial that was. But enough about me. This is Francis. This little guy holds just as much power to literally destroy us as he does to save us. But everyone knows that famous saying about Pandora's box. Bitch got no undo button. Was releasing the code all a huge mistake? Francis is a deep reinforcement learning agent, meaning he learns on his own by interacting with his environment. He does this with a 3-step process: observation, action, and reward. Francis observes the environment by getting position and velocity of players and projectiles directly from the server. No computer vision necessary and absolutely no hacks. Because he's server-sided, Francis is incapable of joining casual or doing anything without a server modded specifically for him. Based on those observations, he acts by choosing where to aim, walk, jump, crouch, and shoot. But the most interesting step by far is the reward, where he sees exactly how good his action was and then actually learns from it. To see exactly how Francis does, we need to design a reward function. Basically, we need to condense the results of his actions into a single number. The job of the deep reinforcement learning algorithm is to figure out exactly how to maximize that reward function. For this task, doing more damage is good and taking more damage is bad. So a simple reward function might look something like this. There is currently a massive problem with this equation, but we'll come back to it. But how does it actually learn? Again, the purpose of the deep RL algorithm is to maximize the reward. To do this, it constantly estimates the rates of change, aka the gradient, of the reward function. Once it understands how the reward changes and in what direction, it can predict where to get more reward in the future without having to actually experience it first. This allows DeepRL to learn much more quickly and efficiently than most other machine learning methods. It uses its experience to narrow down the search for more reward, aka a very basic form of intelligence. Everything Francis does is self-learned behavior. The only directive he has is to maximize that reward. Speaking of the reward function, did you guess what was wrong? Since Francis is only playing with himself, not like that, you sickos. The damage he's given always gets canceled out by the damage he's taken. The reward will always be 0 no matter how good Francis is. So the algorithm has no clue on how to improve. To fix it, we just multiply the reward from dealing damage by 2 to give it more priority. Now the RL algorithm, which in this case is TD3, can improve entirely on its own. To get better data and faster training, I've also added this small reward term that encourages the bots to stay close to the center, forcing them to interact more. Also, there's another small reward term based on how close each rocket gets to its target, so the bots can still see how to improve even if there's no damage reward to go off. The training process is way faster than my previous videos thanks to my new computer, but collecting data is still the slowest part by far. To help with this, I'm running 32 Francises, all running at the same time at 2x speed and all contributing to one central AI brain. And don't worry, they can't damage or otherwise interfere with each other. The bots also have infinite ammo and health, so there's 0 training downtime. Running in a real-time game like this is a very slow simulation, so every little bit helps. And of course, all the training is against himself. Francis has never seen anyone else play the game, not even other bots. And ignoring the months of work tuning and improving the system, it takes less than a day to train Francis from 0 to hero. He starts with completely random action, but after just 16 hours of training, ends up with about 800 hours of experience. But let's find out how good he really is in the Lava Dome. We're here at Open Source, and I'm unleashing my AI against the people and the world. Is it good?
The sense is crazy. I gotta like walk into this game. Since I was the play. I made soldier, medic, and scout.
So you're soldier me. People need you.
He's so good. Wait, how does he aim that well? I feel like soldier's like hard to aim with. Who hits that shot? Nobody hits that shot. Pro players don't hit that shot. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh my god. I like doing the rocket when he's like not good at it. Like he always hits the air shots. Yeah, I see. Yeah. It's genuinely impressive. It's like as a guy, I've got way too many hours of TF2. And the game is incredible. It's a very, very good game. Nobody hits those. Yeah. Oh man. This is like some of the hardest MGE I've ever played.
To be fair, Francis is absolutely cheating. He has a 3-frame reaction time, meaning he snaps to his chosen aim a mere 45 milliseconds after observing the environment. And compared to the average human reaction time, he's about 5 times faster.
Is it like a son for you? Are you like proud of this?
A little bit, yeah. It's not mad at you. I'm just disappointed.
Yeah.
Resources.
But it's not just advantages for Francis. He only observes the world once per rocket. It takes about 0.8 seconds or 55 server ticks to be able to fire again. And during that time, Francis doesn't get any updates. So 90% of the time, he's just fucking vibing. You would think giving him more data would lead to better decisions. And in the long term, that's probably true. But when I tried giving Francis 5 times as many updates, it made training take 5 times longer, and the results were about 5 times worse. I know, slower and worse. What is this? New version of Windows? Practical machine learning is all about the sweet spot between detail and performance. So we'll leave Francis to make decisions at only the most critical moments. And keep in mind, every little quirk in how he operates is a vulnerability just waiting to be exploited. But can anyone figure it out under pressure?
Oh, that was a sick air shot. I'm getting better. Ostensibly soldier. Oh my. The air shots are really good. I can't spend all day here. I would. Don't. Too many. Like 1,500. It's not showing. Traded. There we go. Ah, come on. This is what my 3,000 hours gets me. This is what my 3,000 hours gets me.
Remember, Francis is only trained against rocket launcher.
Man, this is sick. I'm gonna go home.
So against any other weapons, he should lose.
I got
As it turns out, the 1v1 mode had a few flaws that were ripe for abuse.
Wait, it's still not stuck. No, I did it too early. Damn it. Wait. Yeah. Wait, I can do this.
Francis should lose, but even against unfamiliar weapons and some questionable tactics, he didn't.
He's good at hitting those air shots. Yeah, no, I'm bad at the video game, but I'm trying. I'm not giving up.
I really enjoyed how many people came back to try again throughout the weekend. After all, if Francis has done this for thousands of iterations, we humans might as well do a few ourselves.
That's insane. He's never fought a human. That's pretty scary. Man. GG's. That's awesome, man. That is awesome.
Oh, you guys.
No, I gotta hit it. I gotta hit it. Your watch, Dander. Your watch. Beat by a flanker. Wait. Oh, hey! Oh my! I got a shovel. Bring it. Has anyone ever done that? Busty, bro.
This guy's cheating. Whoa!
The number one excuse of the weekend was the mouse sensitivity that everyone kept changing. Not this guy, but there were a few people who could not complain.
No way. Bro whipped it out of his hat. Oh my god.
Look at this sweaty ass dude.
This guy brought his mouse from home. Can you believe that? Look at that thing. It's insane.
He brought his own mouse and keyboard.
I don't need to use this.
It's insane.
It begins.
Okay, just the keyboard.
It's not where I want to be.
He's putting the filth on me. Oh, got me with that slippery air shot.
There you go. On the board.
Oh, fuck. The robot menace. I've been bested.
Oh, it the server crashed. The server fucking crashed. No.
But still, nobody was close to beating Francis. That is, nobody until this.
On this! Oh. Please go ahead. Cool.
Fraudulent though it may be, this man was the first to actually beat Francis at the event. I wasn't recording much on Friday, the setup day, but it saw many more people try and fail to do the same thing, including a scout, a sniper, and one demo knight main. Classes that Francis has never even conceived of, by the way. One person did get close on Friday. Here's all the footage I have of it. In case you can't tell from this incredible clip, he just lost.
You tried.
That's it. That's all the footage I took on Friday. But now it's halfway through Saturday, about 100 plus challengers deep, and I'm starting to worry if anybody can beat him for real.
When I was little. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna get this guy. Oh, I know the strat. Oh. Okay, you gotta get in the air.
Huge shout out to everyone who tried this at Open Sauce. I really enjoyed meeting all you guys and seeing the reactions to Francis. I can only fit so many people in this video, but just know I appreciate everyone that stopped by, and good hustle out there.
Dude, I can't win. I can't even get one.
4,000 hours. Can he defeat the AI?
Easy.
He is so easy.
I'm not letting AI beat us, guys. We got this.
All right, smash cut to him losing.
Okay, but guys, this doesn't look good. Okay, all right, we take those.
Some people with lots of hours in TF2 did worse than I was expecting. No shade to this guy, but you can't just disrespect Francis like that.
Okay.
He will take it impersonally.
Oh no, I'm crumbling.
Any words now that you fought it? Are you humbled?
Guys, we're gonna lose to AI.
It's over.
There were also plenty of people with fewer hours who did way better than expected. It seems the quality of those hours is what really matters for both humans and machines. Francis only has 400 hours experience, but it's all in a single specialty, which is nearly unheard of in the vast game that is Team Fortress 2.
Okay, I think he don't go.
Several people in particular kept coming back. and they were steadily getting better. Francis, on the other hand, was not. It is possible to train live, but aside from the technical difficulty, raw data from an event like this is not great for learning. There's too much variance. In my last video, we found it's surprisingly easy to destabilize deep RL training. A lot of people asked if there was a way to play against Francis at home. Right now, the only way is to use the source code released on Patreon, but in the future I would love to set up a server where people can join and try it out. If any TF2 hosting providers are hearing this and want to help, please reach out.
Rocket jump! He surfed my rocket! Damn!
In fact, if anyone wants to help, please get involved in the community. That's the best way to support this project. The other best way is with Patreon, and even just a few dollars gets you a ton of exclusive bonus content and helps so much in making these videos possible.
Oh, get it? Yeah. Shit.
By the way, if both players die on the last round, it forces an overtime round, aka sudden death. So anyway, that's what overtime doesn't look like. That was just regular losing.
I can do this. I can do this.
Better luck next time. But Francis doesn't need any luck.
This is a hard AI.
He's terrifyingly
I
consistent.
am getting destroyed by this thing. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna go 0 for 5. Oh my god, dude.
I've got like 1,000 hours. Yeah. It's really good. Oh no. Oh, it's good at air shots. Oh yeah, I remember you telling me it's the one I think it was working. Yeah. That's impressive. Oh, that counts. Suicide counts.
Why is this so difficult? I would say it's better than the spin box. Yeah. A lot better. More, it's actually fun playing against. Oh. Damn.
As a reminder, Francis only works with server-side mods, no hacks. Spin bots are using hacks, they can join other servers, and they kill you instantly so you can't have any interaction or fun, unlike Francis, who is apparently very fun to fight.
That's crazy. It's over. It's over. Gotta keep the air strafing up, otherwise it's toast.
We'll talk about air strafing, but first...
Oh, okay.
You guys know I like to give smaller creators the spotlight, you know, because my channel is so massive. Please like and subscribe, I need this! Anyway, so yeah, Francis got to meet some famous internet people at Open Sauce.
He is good. You're just sitting duck in the air. He's just pooping me around. It's been a while. Yes! Got him!
Getting shit on. Dude, I'm getting shit on. Dude, he's so good. I tried this yesterday.
I'm a god. I'm a god. I'm so locked in right now. I couldn't possibly be more locked in.
There's still space between your nose and the screen, bro.
Try again. Oh, we're already failing. Hold on. Locking in. Hold on. It's okay. I'll lock in differently. We are locked in as physically possible. Hey, bro. Wait, I killed him. I did it. Hold on a sec. I won. We beat the bots. TF2 is saved.
Shout out to John Bringus and again to everyone else at Open Sauce. It's truly my favorite event every single year, and internet celebrities aside, I really had so much fun and I genuinely cannot recommend it enough. Subscribe!
Oh my god, it's air shot. I used to play competitively, so I feel kind of bad. I am impressed. Oh my god. No one has beaten Ortiz, right?
That's right, nobody has actually beaten Francis yet. Wait, is that boss music?
Oh my god. I see. I gotta be faster. Oh my god, it's too bad. I know, but I can't think. Oh, should I air shot? Oh, I figured out something. Awesome. Oh my god. I got him for one! Damn it. Okay. He gets one. It's a pity point. Oh, why the fuck is he crouching? Did you see that?
This crouching behavior is Francis's most obvious weakness. It seems like he's getting stuck in the ground, probably thanks to some weird crouch interaction with how the bots are controlled. I don't know exactly what the cause is, but it does seem to happen more often when he gets launched into the ground.
Die! No, I'm dead. Ah. What was he at? Okay.
Locked in. Okay, it's 4-4. Final round. Can he clutch up? One more. Yes! He did it! The first person to beat the AI. Yes, sir. Anything you want to say to the skill issue?
After many hundreds of challengers and even more attempts, this man was the only one actually able to defeat Francis.
Thank God.
Many more people tried, but at the end of day one, the final tally was 1 win humans to like 500, 1,000 wins to AI. I honestly don't even know. It was that many. And of the many people who had a few tries, there were a few people who had many tries. This man played 27 first to fives against Francis on day one alone. I literally counted.
No! So close, man.
Didn't win a single one, but he never gave up. When the sun rose the next morning on the San Mateo County Event Center, you already know who was first through those doors.
I was 4-3 and then I died to afterburn. It's 4-4 again. Damn. One hit away. Dude is fucking nuts at dodging.
Oh, first shot. Where's first rocket? He's lit. He's so lit. Come on. Yes. Let's go. Touchdown. Oh, man. Yeah. Second player.
Second photo.
So we now have 2 losses for Francis. 2.5 if you count the Huntsman. 3.5 if you count me, because I beat it.
You beat it?
If I locked in, yeah.
So what is the best strategy? One word. Air strafing. Air strafing is a source engine technique where the player can change their direction while in midair in a curving motion, like this. It requires a gradual turning motion, but Francis snaps to his chosen aim instantly. And since he's only trained against himself, he's never seen air strafing and thus has no idea how to deal with it.
I like the only last time I was able to beat him was like heavy. He's like weirdly good at the game. Oh, you can't miss those. You can't miss those. Damn, let's go. That was bad, dude. That was fucking sick. Oh my god, that's a clip. Dude, a double. Dude, the fall damage too. No! Oh my god. Actually, I'm on the edge of my seat over this. Can humans beat robots once and for all? Yeah. Yes! Let's go! Oh my god! Humanity wins! 1-0. Wow, that's awesome.
So all you need to do to beat Francis is just rocket jump and constantly air strafe. It's not necessarily easy for the average person, but for an experienced soldier main, it's a pretty simple vulnerability to exploit. Other more minor vulnerabilities include the crouch bugging I mentioned earlier, and also this.
Only updates every 0.8 seconds, which is how quickly the rockets fire. So if you go in one direction and then right before he fires, like juke him in the other direction, he'll fire in the wrong spot.
And as more people heard about and figured out these weaknesses over the weekend, we got more and more good attempts. But by the end of the event, ultimately only 2 more people were able to add their names to the circle of Francis Slayers, an exclusive group now 5.5 strong.
There we go.
Gotta do that every round.
It seems to not like it if you try to keep it juggled in the air.
Okay, you're only shaking a little. Oh yeah. Whoa!
4-3. He's on the verge.
Two more. He's catching up.
I got this. Here.
Okay. No way.
Yes! He did it! Yes, my man.
No way! It was a tie!
It's overtime. Can he clutch it out? Big Rockets. Yeah! Yes! You win! Congratulations! How do you feel?
I think I've secured my position against AI for a little bit longer.
Yes. You've given humanity just a little bit of hope. As a reward, you get a custom lovely open sauce Saxy award. Here you go, sir. You are the 4th person to receive.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
I would like to thank the Academy. I'd like to thank all the people who pub stomped me when I was 12 on Hightower. Subscribe to whatever. It's been a long time coming.
Hell yeah, brother.
Now that you have a little bit of hope for the human race, let's talk about the artificial intelligence in the room. Me releasing all of the source code. And I mean all of it. Literally everything you've seen in this video and everything that was in my last video about Rocket Jump AI is now available on my Patreon. And I can already see the comments. What's wrong with you? You're ruining TF2. You are sexually attracted to clankers. You are a clankerphile. You know, standard stuff. So let me be perfectly clear. I hate TF2 and I am purposefully trying to kill it. Kidding, of course, it's one of my favorite games of all time and I want it to live forever. That's actually one of the reasons why I ended up choosing it for this project. The truth is, AI is not going anywhere. And it's not just TF2, it affects everything. This game will be fine. It's survived so much and for so long just off the strength of its community. Don't worry about TF2, worry about every other game that hasn't been through that. Because AI will, and probably already is, affecting those games. This dude made an AI aimbot that can use a regular monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Like, that literally already exists today. This source code represents a way to actually learn about AI, real AI. And the best way to learn, bar none, is to get hands-on and try it yourself. And what better place than in the best goddamn game in the world? It's motherfucking TF2, baby. I guess those other source engine games are kind of cool too. Too bad the code doesn't work for them. Oh wait, it totally does! Or it should, at least it should. I don't know, I haven't tested the shit yet. It should work. We're gonna keep access limited at first for for many, many reasons. I did write up a post explaining more details about why and how the release is happening. I do encourage everyone to give it a read. It's linked below. Eventually, I do want this project to become open source. Still a long ways off now, but that's where I'd like it to go. But the bottom line is AI is not going away. We have to learn to live with it. And the way we do that is by understanding it. We have to understand its strengths and we have to understand its weaknesses. AI will always have a tell, it'll always have vulnerabilities, and it will never be perfect. This might be a hot take, but I think humans will stay smarter than AI for a long, long time, as long as we're working together. Individually, we're all intelligent, especially compared to something like Francis. Even a dumbass like him can accomplish great things with numbers, but when we work together, that is real intelligence. And that is why I knew I had to release this. This needs to be a community project, not just a me project. I can't do it alone, nor should I. So Access will roll out slowly and we'll see how it goes. And the more people helping and improving the code, the faster that Access rollout will happen. So if that's something you're interested in, please get involved. Everyone else will just have to subscribe and see what happens next. I am a human being after all. There's always a chance that I could be wrong, but we'll have to leave it to the history books to tally up the good and the bad. You might be asking, why take any risk? Well, I think the risks of not releasing the code are so much larger than the risks of doing so. We have to understand AI. There's no way around it. We have to. So I'm doing something about it. I can't prove what's going to happen in the future. All I can go off of is my intuition, and that's what I'm going to do. I can't explain it. I can only feel it. Intuition and taking risks is part of what makes me human, so I'm gonna trust it. A clanker could never. And we will find out what happens next together. Thanks for watching.
Oh, Hey, Francis just kicked my ass and I am not happy about it.
Subscribe.